In this bedroom, I'm going to have some vinyl planks installed. And in order for that to happen, this floor has to be level. And if you look at the area to the left of that door, you see there's a slight slope there away from that door. Look along the wall there. And it looks to me like they did a small pour of cement at the door there. So I use these levels, and here you can see there's one there. So that's level. And there's a gap there, probably about 1/8 of an inch. So I want to pour cement to the left of this door and toward that wall. There's another level there. That's level. And I drew a pencil mark there where I'm going to begin the pour, and I'll work to the left. See, there's a little bit of a gap underneath that level. I got some washers there. So I'll do a little bit of a pour, not much, to the left of this door to try and make it a little bit more level. So in the other bedroom, I put down cement to cover the black mastic, the stain on the concrete for the black mastic, so the flooring company would install the flooring. On this one, this was enclosed. This was a single car carport that was enclosed to make a bedroom. And when they did that, they put a lot of cement there at that doorway entrance. But it slopes down from there. So here you can see this, I've shimmed this level here. So that's level, there's a bubble there. And look to the right here, I put some washers there. So that's up about 1.25 inches. So I'm basically going to be putting cement all throughout this bedroom to bring it up to the level where you first step into the room at the doorway.